Hey everyone, welcome to Deanna Creates. So I have a really fun video that I can't wait to share with you guys. So I recently purchased some papers from Robin at Robin Song for the latest Decoupage Queen Christmas release. And in placing that order, she was doing a giveaway. So any order over $50 that was purchased, I think she did like Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, was eligible to win a $50 prize pack. And I won, you guys. I'm so excited about this. So I wanted to come on here and share with you guys this $50 prize pack, and let's open it together and see what it's all about, as well as show you the papers that I got. I got primarily Christmas papers for creating projects. So you guys be sure that you go over and you follow Robin Song on Facebook, that you go shop on her website. She carries some really unique things that you typically don't always see, and just really lots of fun projects. They do, her and her husband Ron, they do Facebook Lives, and they're just a whole lot of fun, and she's very creative and creates just some beautiful things. So you guys make sure that you go over there and follow her. I'll leave the link to her website in the description box below. So let's just get started. I'm so excited. It is this box, you guys. It feels like it is filled all the way to the top. I mean, it is like bulging almost. Okay, well, are you ready? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There is so much stuff in here. You guys, look at this. There are ribbons and trims and rusty bells and like a little snowflake. Oh my goodness. This looks like some reindeer moss. Oh my gosh, a whole package of ribbons. Look at these beautiful ribbons, you guys. Oh my goodness, Robin. And there's more, y'all. It just keeps going. Here's some beautiful snowflakes. Some little bitty popsicle sticks. Some little wooden stockings. Oh, you guys, won't these be so cute? Oh my goodness. Here is some more ribbon, a beautiful sunflower ribbon. More little trims, and you guys, these are some of the cutest trims ever. There's some more ribbon and some gorgeous colors. Oh, y'all. Some little pouncers. A bag of buttons. Look at all these cute buttons. Oh my gosh, Robin, you outdid yourself. Some gingham ribbon. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? This looks like some paints. Glitter. Oh, you guys, this is beautiful. She sells German glass glitter, so this looks like what that is. Some little magnets. These are like some little tags, little things, ephemera-like things to put in like your journal. Little spoons and clothespins. Oh my goodness, look how cute these are. You guys, this is incredible. Some little blocks, some little wood blocks. Some beautiful more buttons in like white and pearl. Those are so pretty. And then there's some decoupage papers in here, and these are not the ones that I ordered. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this angel. Isn't she beautiful? I don't have enough room on my desk. Oh, and look at this. You guys, you all know how much I love mixed media. Won't this make a beautiful something with mixed media. Oh my gosh, I love this paper. And some of these I don't remember seeing. Oh, y'all, look at this one. Isn't she pretty? Oh, and here's a rooster. How cute is this? I can't, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's so much fun things to create. Oh, this is a beautiful paper. This is from Ellen J. Goods. I recognize her painting for sure. And I love those colors. I actually did a painting that I haven't hung in my bedroom yet. That's all roses that has similar colors. And look at this one with the roses. Oh my gosh. Oh, here's a Christmas one. It's like a Christmas block. How cute would these be, like on tags? Oh my gosh. And this, like goddess one, that's really pretty. And birds. Oh my goodness, look at these cute little birds, these chubby birds. I think this is from Victoria from Old to Ooh La La. I love her stuff. Oh my gosh, that is an amazing prize pack, Robin. Thank you so much for this, just this awesome prize. This is way more than anybody could have ever expected, and I really appreciate it so much. All right, now you guys, let's see. Let me show you the stuff that I ordered. I'm gonna put this box down. Can you believe all that stuff was in that box? So these are the papers that I ordered, and all of these weren't in the release. Where's my scissors? I think some of them were from a prior, but I did not have any of the Christmas ones, so. So this one, look how pretty. I just love this one. I don't think this was this time's release, but I loved it. I loved all of the little winter scenes, the little animals, the woodland. I really love that. I thought these would be cute on like round ornaments or on tags or anything like that. I just love that. This one, I believe this was from last year's, but I loved this scene too, with these deer. I'm just really loving the whole woodland winter type thing this year, and this is just a really pretty one. Now this one is from this release, and it's like a 4-pack, and these are just like beautiful, like Victorian looking images. And again, I thought these would be perfect just like on a little canvas, or again to do like a tag. Just so many beautiful fun ideas. And then I got a bigger one of one of the 4 with this angel on there. And then these birds, this is what Victoria from Old to Ooh La La, these are her designs for the Christmas release. And I love red birds. I love birds of all kinds. And so I was really excited to see this paper and knew I wanted to do something with it. And then this is a paper, this is this release too. It's from Ellen J. Goods. She designed this one, and it's all these words, and they are so perfect to use in anything. It could be used in, you know, any pieces that we make, in our art journal. I'm all about words, and I love to add that to whatever I'm working on, and so I think these are really, really great for that. And then these, I was so excited about these papers. Again, these are just some more little woodland winter creatures that I can't wait to do something with. A bird and a fox, a little squirrel. And then some more birds that I thought would be good for ornaments. And then this is an Ellen J. Goods paper that she designed for this release. And you guys, isn't it beautiful? This is the 4-pack. She also has the bigger ones. And, you know, it's just such a nostalgic, pieces here. And I just think they're just absolutely beautiful. The colors on here are gorgeous. They're so soft. They're so vintage and retro. And I just loved them. And then this one is just some little birds. And again, I thought it would be pretty like to use on ornaments or to use, I have the frames mold, so I thought it would be cute to use in those. So such pretty papers. I'm so excited to start using these. And then I ordered some other things. They're, you know, paint and decorative type products to use. That are all new to me. I love how she wrapped these so that they don't leak out. So this is called, it's the Paint Couture, and it is Sheer Bliss. And Robin has been using this on a lot of her Christmas projects, and it gives this beautiful shimmer to everything. I mean, it looks almost like it's kissed with snow, but it's not like snow. I mean, I just can't even really describe it. And it's really beautiful. So I knew I wanted to try this. And then this is a Pent Art wax paste in silver. And again, she's been using this, and you just like rub it around edges of pieces and things, and it is gorgeous. So these are new products to me. I've never really tried these, and so I can't wait to give them a try and show you guys what I create with those. So this was just really fun, and I wanted to share this with you guys. I wanted you guys to see what was in this awesome prize pack, which I still can't get over this. This is just incredible. I can't wait to go back through and look at each thing and open each little package individually. And these papers are just beautiful, and the new ones that I got too, I just love them. So again, thank you, Robin. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys will really start to create this Christmas, whether you're creating just for you or you're creating gifts. Decoupage papers are a really fun way to do that. They are not expensive, and especially if you get one sheet, you know, you could do a lot with just one sheet of paper. And they usually run about $4, and they're really fun and easy to use. So yeah, I'm so excited and just wanted to share. So I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and that you'll come back and craft with me some more as we start to use some of these things as we get into the Christmas season. And I wish you all a beautiful day. Love and light to you all, and we'll see you again real soon.